Hi guys, I am Komal from UP and today I am going to talk about what did I study. Okay, so today I study a very short story and I am going to tell you. Okay, so today there is one boy. He is illiterate but he really wants to improve. He really wants to be an educated person. So when he was in his childhood, like when he was 9 year old, so he started to working on in a coal mine factory. So when he worked there, so he heard about the name of the school that is called a Bharat Public School. Okay, so it's just an example. Okay, so when he heard, so he was very curious to know more about that school, and he really wants to study there. So after that, so lots of hard work he did, and after that when he reached that school, so there in his school, so when he reached to the headmaster, so headmaster when headmaster saw him, so he was like because he looked like very dirty, very tired, very hungry, because he was poor. Okay, so when school teacher look at him, so he, after that he was very worried, like why he wants to study. Okay, so when teacher like moved to the school, and the poor boy, he stay there for 5 to 6 hours. So after that teacher back, and teacher said that there is one room, you go and sweep there and mopped full room. Okay, so he goes there, and he no she went there, and he cleaned all the room. He swept and four times. And after he cleaned, after that teacher came, and when he not uh, see any dust, so he admission the um, boy, and after that he became a very successful person. Okay, bye.